Hey guys, it's Gwen. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how to do an After Effects inspired tiles transition on Alight Motion. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of my tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I should make next. Okay, so first of all is you're gonna need to create a new project. And after creating your new project, you're gonna need to import all the clips you're gonna need. Okay, so after importing the clips, now you can split all the layers so you can have a nice trim edit. And just like usual, don't forget to add tiles and motion blur into all the clips. For the tiles, don't forget to take the mirror. Okay, now do the same thing to the second clip. Okay guys, so for this effect, you can follow my settings or making it your own. It's all up to you. Okay, and for the graphs, you can follow my graph or making it your own. Okay guys, add the same effect into your second clip. Okay guys, so here I'm just adding a rotation to add more effect into the edit result. And also do the same thing to the second clip. And don't forget to copy my graph. Okay guys, so here I'm just adding a zoom transition to the edit, and also I'm gonna add an exposure gamma to make it look like a flash. Okay, just like I say, I'm gonna go to color and light, exposure gamma. Okay, and I'm adding the exposure gamma to the second clip, and now I'm exporting the total edit. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone have a really great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of my tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I shall make next. Okay guys, thank you and God bless you.